Hello, my dear students and my dear friends. I welcome to my YouTube channel. Before myself, Tirunagaram Manohar, Department of Mathematics, University College of Science, Tumkur, Karnataka. My mobile number is 6302026237 and 89850 This is about my brief introduction, my friends and my dear students. Now I want to came here to introduce 4.1 Algebra and Calculus 2, which is under BSc of Tumkur University. Under this Algebra and Calculus 2 4.1 Unit 1 I am discussing. In that Unit 1 complete guide course I am giving. In that complete guide course already I did part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, my dear friends. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar, that is Tirunagaram Manohar. Okay, my dear friends, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar and like this video and share to your friends as well as write your comments on my comment box. Okay, my dear friends, under Unit 1 complete guide course, now we want to discuss under part 5. In the previous videos, some problems we did under line and multiple integral, line integral. So in this line integral, now we want to discuss more problems. That is first 10th problem, my dear friends. Already nine problems we discussed. In the 10th problem, this is very important for 5 marks, my dear friends. That is 10th one. Evaluate integral C of x square minus 2xy into dx plus of x square y plus 3x into dy around the boundary of the region defined by y is equal to y square is equal to 8x and x is equal to 2, my dear friends. See, this is the question, my dear friends. Question, before going to solution part, you must understand the question first of all. See, what is this question? So we want to evaluate this one, integral C x square minus 2xy into dx plus x square y plus 3x into dy. We want to evaluate this one. So what is given condition? Around the boundary of the region defined by y square is equal to 8x and x is equal to 2. See, before going to solution part, what is this one? We want to see which region we want to evaluate, that one we want to find. See my dear friends. This is, sorry, once again I will try it. See, my dear friends. See, my dear friends, this is origin O and this is x-axis x dash, this is y and this is y dash. We all know this, my dear friends. Y square is equal to 8x lies in first and fourth quadrant, my dear friends. Okay, that is by taking points also we know this. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on etc., my dear friends. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, my dear friends. So that's why this y square is equal to 8x lies in first and fourth quadrant, my dear friends. First and fourth quadrant. See, my dear friends, see here, like this will come. This is y square is equal to 8x curve. Y square is equal to 8x curve, my dear friends. So, and also one more x is equal to 2 line is there. X is equal to 2 line. So, now I am taking this x is equal to 2 is what, my dear friends? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. This one, my dear friends. This is x is equal to 2 line. X is equal to 2. So now this combined region. What is the combined region means, my dear friends? This region area we want to find. This region area. Okay, understand, my dear friends? This one. So that's why by taking the curve, this y square is equal to 8x. And by taking x, we want to find evaluate, my dear friends. Okay, I hope you all understood this question. Along the curve y square is equal to 8x we want to find, and along the x is equal to 2 we want to find, my dear friends. Okay, and both adding means combined region will come. Both adding means combined region will come. See, my dear friends, solution part 2. In the solution part, let the closed curve C is made up of curve C as C1 is y square is equal to 8x and line what C2 is equal to x is equal to 2, my dear friends. So by showing in the figure y square is equal to 8x and x is equal to 2 line, with that line. This area we want to find, my dear friends. So now for that purpose, now first along the curve C1 we want to find. Along the curve C1 we want to find that area, my dear friends. So along the curve C1 means what? C1 is what, my dear friends? C1 is y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 8x means y is equal to what, my dear friends? Y is equal to square root of 8x. That means 2 root 2x, my dear friends. 2 root over x. That means 2 root 2 into root x, my dear friends. 2 root 2 into root x, my dear friends. Now differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides, my dear friends. So y is equal to 2 root 2 into root x, my dear friends. By differentiating it, see here, dy is equal to what, my dear friends? Dy means 2 root 2 into differentiation of root x. What differentiation of root x is what, my dear friends? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x, my dear friends. One by 2 root x, my dear friends. Excuse me. Charan? 1 by 2 root x, my dear friends. 2 get cancelled means here 2 root 2 by root x will come, my dear friends. Dy by into dx will come, my dear friends. Into dx. This is dy is equal to root 2 by root x into dx, my dear friends. Okay. Now here dy by dx means x is varying here along curve y. You see here along curve y square is equal to 8x means which variable varying means this variable we are varying. So that means x is varying from 0 to 2. 0 in the 2 ki x అనేది vary ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, my dear friends. Here along the curve y square is equal to 8x. So therefore x varies from 0 to 2, my dear friends. X varies from 0 to, my dear friends. So that's why integral, therefore this given curve integral C1 x square minus 2 into xy into dx plus of x square y plus 3x into dy is equal to what, my dear friends? See that C1 curve varies from 0 to 2. 0 to 2, where x is equal to 2. So x is varying. So that's why we want to write x as it is. Now convert that y into in terms of x, my dear friends. So here x is equal to what, my dear friends? Y is equal to 2 root 2 into root x, my dear friends. So in the place of y, we want to replace that value. 2 root 2 into root x into dx, my dear friends. Plus of x square, again y value 2 root 2 into root x, 2 root 2 into root x plus 3x into dy value what means, what, my dear friends? Root 2 by root x into dx, root 2 by root x into dx. See, we want to simplify this one. Integral 0 to 2, first of all we want to write x square, see my dear friends, minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 root 2, 4 root 2, x into root x, how much? X into root x value, x to the power of 3 by 2, my dear friends, into dx. This dx I am writing at last, my dear friends, plus again here x square into this one. See here, my dear friends, here root 2 get cancelled by multiplying. Sorry, root 2 into root 2, 2 will come, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 into root x, here root x divided by root x get cancelled, my dear friends. So into x square will come. Just 4x square will come first term by multiplying. Again 3x into root 2 by root x means 3 plus 3 root 2 into x by root x means root x, my dear friends, into dx. This one next term will come, my dear friends. Next one, here what will come, my dear friends? We want to integrate it. We want to integrate it, my dear friends. Integral. Before going to integrate, once again simplify. Next step. Integral 0 to 2. Already x square is there, 4x square. How much, my dear friends? 5x square. 5x square. Again minus 4 root 2 into here x to the power of 3 by 2. Right as it is, my dear friends, plus 3 root 2. Right as it is. Root x means root 2 x to the power of 1 by 2, my dear friends, into root x. Now this is ready for integration. This is ready for integrate. So that is equal to, here 5 is the constant, integral x square into dx what? X cubed by 3, my dear friends, minus 4 root 2 is the constant. Here x to the power of 3 by 2, integral x to the power of 3 by 2 to dx means x to the power of 10 dx. So integral x to the power of 10 dx form x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1, my dear friends. Okay, plus 3 root 2, right as it is. Again, here x to the power of 1 by 2 is there. Same formula we want to apply for this also, my dear friends. Of course, integral intervals we want to apply. Which intervals, my dear friends? Which interval? See here. Which interval we want to apply? From 0 to 2 we want to apply. 0 to 2. So, my dear friends, see here, which is equal to 5 by 3 is the constant. Where x is there in that place we want to apply. Here x cube means 2 cube will come. Again minus 4 root 2 into here 3 by 2 plus 1, how much? 2 and 2 plus 3, 5 by 2 into 2 means 2 by 5. I am writing 2 by 5 into where x is there in that place. 2 to the power of 5 by 2 plus 3 root 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 and 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. That is into convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, that is 2 by 2 into upper limit 2 to the power of 3 by 2, my dear friends. So for all terms upper limit applied. Next for all terms we have to apply lower limit. So here x is there first term, here x is there, here x is there. So that's why for lower limit every term will becomes 0, my dear friends. Now we want to simplify carefully. So that is equal to 5 by 3 into 2 cubed means 8. 2 to the 4, 4 3 to the 8. 8 will come, my dear friends. Again 4 into, here all power should be added. 2 to the power of 1 by 2 into 2 power 1 into 2 to the power of 5 by 2. So of course 4 by 5 is the constant into. So this is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 5 by 2 upper limit 2 to the power of. So this is how much? 2 to the power of LCM 2, 1 plus 2 plus 5. So 5 plus 3, 8. So that is 2 to the power of 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. Directly I am writing 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 plus, here 3 get cancelled. Here 3 get cancelled. So all power should be added. So that is 2 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 2 to the power of 1. So 2 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 plus, again what, my dear friends? 3 to the power of 3 by 2. So by adding this one, 2 to the power of LCM 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 6 by 2 means 2 power 3 will come. 2 power 3 will come. 3 by 2. Okay, my dear friends, this is the final answer. See here, 4 to the power of 8. Here, how much this one? 8 5s are 40 by 3, my dear friends. Minus here once again 5 cube. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2, 4. 8 by 2, 4, my dear friends. Once again, here that is what is that? Here 2 to the power of 1 by 2. 2 to the power of 1 by 2. 2 to the power of 1 by 2 is there. Again 2 to the power of 1 is there. 2 to the power of 5 by 2 is there. So, my dear friends, how much this one? 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 5 by 2. How much LCM? 2 is the LCM. 1 plus 2 plus 5. So, 8. 8 by 2 means 4. So, 2 to the power of 4 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 4 the 64, my dear friends. 64 by 5. Plus, again this one. How much, my dear friends? Again, 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Already, how much is there? 2 will come means, my dear friends. 1, 2 is there. 2 to the power of, here 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Once again, just a second. 3 root 2 into 2 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. Remaining, what is that? Root 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 1 is there plus 3 by 2. LCM 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much? 6. 6 by 2 means 3. So, 2 to the power of 3 by 2 will come. Okay, my dear friend, just a second. Root 2, this 2, write as it is, into 2 to the power of just 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 you have to add. So, 4 by 2 means 2 will come. 4 by 2 means 2 will come. That is how much, my dear friends? This is simple. So, that is 2 into 2 square means 4. 4 to the 8 will come, my dear friends. 8. So, by simplifying this one, LCM is 15. So, 40 by 3 into 15. How much, my dear friends? 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20 means 200, my dear friends. 200 minus 64 by 5 into 15. 5 1s are 5 3s are 64. 3s are 192. 3 4s are 12. 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19. 192 plus my, again 15 8s are 120, my dear friends. By simplifying this one, how much, my dear friends? 128 by 15, my dear friends. 128 by 15. This is rough work. Okay, so along C1, this value, how much, my dear friends? Along C1, 128 by 15. Similarly, we have to do Case 1 again, case 2 along the curve C2, along the curve C2, my dear friends, along the curve C2, my dear friends. See, here we have figure along C2. C2 means x is equal to 2. X is equal to mean by differentiating if Tx is equal to 0. So along C2, see here my dear friends, by the graph along C2, which one varies? Y is varying from -4 to +4. Here -4 to +4. How means, see here my dear friends, y by putting here y square is equal to 8x. If x is equal to 2 means y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to, by putting 2, 16 will come. Y is equal to plus or minus 4 my dear friends. So that's why x varies from here to here my dear friends. From here to here that x varies. Okay my dear friends. Here -4 x value 2 comma -4 2 comma -4 2, here 2 comma +4. So that's why x varies from -4 to +4 my dear friend. Plus x varies from -4 to +4. What I am saying here, x varies. Therefore x varies from -4 to +4 my dear friends. So that's why the given integral C2, which one that given that value x square minus 2xy into dx my dear friends, and also x square y plus 3x into dy is given my dear friends. Careful ಆಗಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so see here integral y value is varying, y is equal to -4 to +4 my dear friends. So that's why this x value convert into y. So x is equal to 2 means x square is equal to 4 minus 2 into x value 2 into y, right as it is, into dx value 0 my dear friends. So again x square means 4 into y value, right as it is, plus 3 into x value 2 into dy value. Here dy value how much my dear friends? Dy, right as it is, dy itself, right as it is my dear friends. See here, this first term becomes all 0. Second term integral 4y into dy is what? 4 is the constant. 4y into dy means 4y square by 2 plus 3 2s are 6. So 6 is the constant. Integral y dy, y will come my dear friends by applying limits. -4 to +4 should take care in this by applying limits. Here 2 2s are 4. 2 is the constant, applying upper limit where y is there, upper limit 4 square plus 6 into 4. So for both terms upper limit completed, minus of 2 into, because here 2 they are cancelled, 2 into upper limit -4 whole square, -4 whole square minus 6 into -4. So my dear friends, see here 4 square means 16, 16 2s are 32 my dear friends, plus 6 4s are 24. Again here 4 square means 16, 16 2s are 32 minus, again minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24 my dear friends. See here minus 32 plus 32 get cancelled. So that's why plus 24 minus 24 is how much means 48. So along C1 48 my dear friends. So along C is equal to what will come along C1 plus along C2. So that is equal to along C1 value how much? 128 by 15 plus along C2 how much? 48. 48 by 1 answer we want to consider. So LCM here 15. So first term what will come my dear friends? 15. 128 will come. Again 48 into 15. 15 8s are 120, 15 4s are 60, 60 plus 12 means 72, so 720. So again plus 128 means 0 4 8. So this is equal to 848 by 15 total value my dear friends along C. This is the final answer my dear friends. I hope you all understood this question. This question, my dear friends. I will move on to the next question. Okay, I will move on to the next question, my dear friends. See here, this is a 11th question. 11th question, see here. Evaluate integral C a square y square by b square plus b square x square by a square whole to the power of 1 by 2 into here ds, friends. Here our whole to the power of 1 by 2 is given, where C is a ellipse, where C is ellipse. Here C is ellipse whose equation is what, my dear friends? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, my dear friends. Okay, this is very beautiful and very interesting one, my dear friends. This is very important for 5 marks. See here, question integral C square root of a square y square by b square plus b square x square by a square ಅಂತನೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, or whole to the power of 1 by 2 into ds ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, for the ellipse whose equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, my dear friends. So see here, solution part. For the solution part, we know that the parametric equation of parametric equations of the ellipse. Parametric equations of the ellipse. Which ellipse is given, my dear friends? Here, which ellipse is given? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is given, my dear friends. For this ellipse, the parametric equations are x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta, my dear friends. We all know this one. X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b cos theta, b sin theta, my dear friends. So now differentiate with respect to theta on both sides. So that is dx by d theta is equal to differentiation of a cos theta, how much, my dear friends? A minus a sin theta. So a constant, right, as it is. As well as dy by d theta is equal to how much, my dear friends? Differentiation of b constant, differentiation of sin theta, cos theta, my dear friends. And here we know that ds by d theta value square root of dx by d theta whole square plus dy by d theta whole square, my dear friends. We want to apply that values in this equation. We will get ds value, my dear friends. ds value we want to apply. See here, square root of, here dx value how much is given, my dear friends? Dx value, see here, dx is the what is given, my dear friends? Dx value, dx by d theta value minus a sin theta. So whole square means a square sin square theta, my dear friends, plus dy by d theta b cos theta whole square means b square cos square theta, my dear friends. Okay, this is ds by d theta value. But what do you want, my dear friends? Only ds value we want. So that's why square root of a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta into d theta will come, my dear friends. This is the value of ds now, and theta varies from, and for the ellipse theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, my dear friends. Now we want to verify this value, this one, integral c, what is given? A square y square by b square plus a square, this one, b square x square by a square whole to the power of 1 by 2 into ds given, my dear friends. In this formula we want, in this equation we want to apply all these values, my dear friends. All the values. Okay, integral C is varies from 0 to 2 pi, my dear friends, of a square, right, as it is, y square. Here y is equal to what, my dear friends? Y is equal to b sine theta. Y square means b square sine square theta. So b square sine square theta divided by already b square is there, my dear friends. Similarly, b square is there. X square means x means a sine a cos theta. A cos theta. X square means a square cos square theta, my dear friends, by a square whole to the power of 1 by 2 is there into ds value, my dear friends. Ds value is what? This one. What is this? See here, square root of a square sine square theta plus b square cos square theta. B square cos square theta into d theta is given, my dear friends, into d theta, this one ds value. Now we want to simplify carefully. Integral 0 to 2 pi. Here b square get cancelled. Here a square will get cancelled. See, my dear friends, what is given? A square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta whole to the power of 1 by 2 into already here a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta under root is there. Root is nothing but 1 by 2 again into d theta. We all know that this base equal power should be added. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, how much, my dear friends? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, how much, my dear friends? 1. So that's why integral 0 to 2 pi a square sin square theta, a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta power 1 into d theta, my dear friends. Okay, this one value we want to evaluate, my dear friends. Actually, this is one of the formula. Just a second, my dear friends. Okay, just a second. I will make border of this page. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, now see here. This is one of the formula. Actually, this value is nothing but pi into a square plus b square value, my dear friends. Pi into a square plus b square. How means I will prove here. How means I will prove here, my dear friends. Here integral 0 to 2 pi, right, as it is. Here any one we want to convert, either sin square theta or cos square theta, we want to convert any one, not a problem, my dear friends. See here a square, right, as it is, my dear friends. Sin square theta in terms of cos, 1 minus cos square theta, my dear friends. 1 minus cos square theta plus this b square cos square theta, right, as it is, into d theta. This one already we know this value. I am proving this value, my dear friends. Okay, we must prove it. Integral 0 to 2 pi. So by multiplying a square with these two terms, so a square into 1 a square, again minus a square into cos square theta plus already b square cos square theta is there, my dear friends, into d theta. Next, what will come, my dear friends? Integral 0 to 2 pi. Here a square, right, as it is, my dear friend, first term. Again in these two terms, which one is common, my dear friends? Cos square, make it common. By taking cos square as common, b square minus a square will come, my dear friends, into cos theta into d theta, my dear friends. So in these two terms, cos square theta common. So positive value I am writing first and minus a square is there. Again this cos square term we want to convert it. So integral 0 to 2 pi, this a square, right, as it is, my dear friends. This b square minus a square also, right, as it is, my dear friends. We all know this cos square theta value in terms of cos theta by using cos 2 theta form, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, my dear friends, into d theta. This cos square theta value 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, my dear friends. Now this is ready for integration, my dear friends. This is ready for integration. Now integral a square d theta. So otherwise I will simplify. So integral a square d theta value, a square is the constant, integral 1 d theta means theta, my dear friends. Again here b square minus a square by 2 is the constant. Okay, integral 1 d theta value how much? Theta plus integral cos 2 theta d theta value. So that means sin 2 theta by 2, my dear friends. So for whole thing we want to apply limit to 0 to 2 pi, my dear friends. Okay, by applying upper limit for whole terms, what will come? A square into upper limit 2 pi plus this b square minus a square by 2 constant, right as it is, upper limit apply. So where theta is there, in that place we want to apply. Already 2 is there, 2 into theta. So theta value 2 pi. So 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi by 2. So for whole terms upper limit completed, my dear friends, we want to apply lower limit minus of a square into 0 plus. So by applying upper limit, this plus becomes minus of b square minus a square by 2 into here theta is there, lower limit theta plus sine 2 into 0, minus is here. So that's why don't confuse me here. Minus is I am doing here. So my dear friends, this value how much? C 2 pi a square, my dear friends, plus b square a square by 2, right as it is, my dear friends, into 2 pi also, my dear, right as it is. Sin 4 pi value 0, 0 by 2 value 0, my dear friends. Again a square into 0, 0 in this value 0 plus sin 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 into value 0. That means total value 0 here. That means, my dear friends. Again one more page we want to apply, we want to open. So for this also, just a second. Just a second, my dear friends, just a second. Okay, now it is ready. See, okay, what is this? This, my dear friends, is equal to 2 pi a square is there. Again, plus here 2 pi plus 0, 2 pi, 2 to get cancelled. Okay, we want to multiply, otherwise we want to, what is the common value? So b square minus a square into pi is remaining. Next, again in the both term, which is common, in the both term, again pi will come common. So 2a square plus b square minus a square into pi common, my dear friends. So that is equal to final answer pi into what will come, 2a square minus a square plus a square plus b square. This is the final answer, my dear friends. This is the final answer, my dear friends. Okay, see here, my dear friends, what is given? This value, very very beautiful value. This value pi into a square plus b square will come, my dear friends. This value. Okay, I will move on to next question, my dear friends. That is very very important and beautiful one, my dear friends. This one, 12th question. 12th question. This also very very important for 5 marks, my dear friends. Evaluate integral c 2x plus y into ds, 2x plus y into ds, where c is the curve, c is the curve in the xy plane, in the xy plane given by x square plus y square is equal to 25, and s is the arc length parameter, from the point 3, 4 to 4, 3 along the along the shortest path. Along the shortest path. Okay, this question we will discuss in the next video lecture, my dear friends. Why? Because this video length will become a very lot, so that's why I will stop this videos today video lectures. Okay, my dear friends, stay home, be happy, be healthy, and also, my dear friends, if you like this video, share to your friends and write your valuable comments on my comment box, as well as subscribe my YouTube channel as above said, my dear friends. Thank you, and thank you one and all, my dear friends.